Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Prolong Power supplements. So it's going to be an honest review if it's legit or just another scam. So here we have the product itself, and again in the past that I've said and in the reviews in my this channel in the past month, I'm going to say again, you're supposed to take dietary supplements with the proper exercise and diet in accordance with your health restrictions or not. So there, so as we can see, this is the Prolong Power Pills. It says right here it's unflavored, 60 pieces, 2 ounces. It's a diet type, gluten free. So about this item, it prolongs power, and there's nothing else it says here. So it's supposed to say the ingredients, but oh, there you go. So the ingredients are listed right here. It has a blend of, I have no idea what's that, and it's just mostly just actually um vegan things, so it's found commonly in nature. So this is just a supplementary diet, so other ingredients will have calcium carbonate and other things like this. So I have did research on this in the past already, and we have concluded that it's just basically a dietary supplement. It will improve your actual health by the slightest, but of course you have to take this 2 times a day, and it's a veggie capsule. So yeah, like I've said, it's vegan. So basically, you must also check in with your healthcare professional when taking this. So sometimes the supplements or the actual ingredients might not be good for your body, depending on what state you are right now. But of course, you have to accompany this with proper diet and exercise for this to work out as much as possible. So usually I would just call these placebo items because they don't really do anything that much in your body. They're just supplement facts. So you can find other products that do better. So this is legit, but I would say it does not really prolong power that much because I researched this already in the past, and it doesn't really do anything. And in reviews, we have seen that, so let's go ahead and go to the reviews that see it does not live up to what is advertised right here. So basically, it's a real product, but it's a placebo effect, so it's just a scam.